These 5 animals have the worst tempers on Earth. Number 5, mandrill. Don't let the colors fool you. This is the most dangerous monkey alive. Huge fangs, wild strength, and zero patience. Number 4, wild boar. Unpredictable and fast. They'll charge anything tusks first, even if you're just walking by. Number 3, leopard. It hunts alone, fights alone, and never backs down. This cat is pure muscle and rage. Number 2, Tasmanian devil. Constantly snarling, always fighting. These tiny terrors will even bite each other's faces. Before I show you number 1, if you are not a ghost, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Only good people will do it. Ghosts won't. Number 1, leopard seal. Looks like it belongs in a cartoon, but it's a vicious predator that hunts penguins like a serial killer.